compulsion. It what is used for necessity and compulsion. Must, have to, have got to, had got to. We use must and have to say that it is necessary to do something. Sometimes we can use either of them. You must put in real hard work if you want to do well. You have to put in real hard work if you want to do well. But there is a difference between the two of them. Must carries the speaker's personal feelings, have to suggest some external compulsion or that there is some kind of a rule about it or the situation demands it. You must see this movie from the very beginning means I want you to do that. You have to reach the office by 9 a.m. That's the rule. You have to reach school before 8:30. So that's the rule. My eyes can't stand sunlight. I have to wear goggles. My situation demands that I wear goggles. Must doesn't have a past tense form. So we can use must to talk about the present or the future. We must call Satish now, that is present. We must call Satish tomorrow, future. It doesn't have a past tense. But we can use have to in all the tenses. I had to withdraw money from the bank, that is in the past tense. I had to. I have to withdraw money from the bank, this is present. I will have to withdraw money from the bank, that is future. In questions and negative sentences with have to, we normally use do, does, did. Do you have to stay back at the school daily? Did the children have to come to school in the school uniform daily? Have got to. We can use have got to instead of have to. We have got to finish these days. हमें ये काम करना है. By tomorrow. I have got to buy these books before I go to school. Now must. The speaker insists something is done. Have to, had to, external compulsion, some kind of a rule, the demand of the situation. Have got to, had got to can replace have to or had to. Now 11 exercise, complete these sentences with must or have to, had to. Sometimes it is possible to use either must or have to. So it can both can come also. So you have to complete this exercise.